As India marches towards its centenary of independence in 2047, the dream of becoming a $30 trillion economy is not just ambitious, it is achievable. But how will this vision, part of the Viksit Bharat at 2047 mission, turn into reality?
At the heart of this vision is economic empowerment. By fostering investment, nurturing entrepreneurship, and supporting MSMEs, India is paving the way for inclusive growth. Policy reforms in the financial sector and initiatives to ease business operations are laying the foundation for a resilient and diverse economy.
India is undergoing an infrastructure revolution. Projects like the National Infrastructure Pipeline, PM Gati Shakti, and the Smart Cities Mission are not just transforming landscapes, they're transforming lives. With housing initiatives under PMA, the vision of a connected, efficient, and modern India is coming to life.
Foreign direct investment, or FDI, is a cornerstone of India's growth story. With FDI inflows multiplying 20 times since 2000, India is attracting global capital to bolster infrastructure, expand exports, and strengthen its position in global supply chains. This translates to job creation, innovation, and technology transfer, key drivers of growth. True development is inclusive. India's focus on healthcare, education, gender equality, and employment ensures that every citizen contributes to and benefits from economic progress. Initiatives like universal healthcare, skill development programs, and financial inclusion are building a more equitable society. Technology is a game changer for India. The Digital India Initiative, Aadhaar integration, and UPI revolution have connected millions, driving financial inclusion and digital literacy. These advancements are not just improving lives, they're fueling a tech-driven economy poised for global leadership. India's renewable energy journey is inspiring. With over 200 gigawatts of installed renewable capacity, initiatives like the National Green Hydrogen Mission and PM Kusum are redefining sustainability. By aiming for 500 gigawatts from non-fossil sources by 2030, India is positioning itself as a global leader in clean energy. India's journey to becoming a $30 trillion economy by 2047 is driven by the aspirations of its people, the vision of its leaders, and the resilience of its industries. This is more than a goal. It's a promise of a prosperous, inclusive, and sustainable future. Together, we're building Viksit Bharat. Join the conversation. Share your thoughts on how India can achieve this historic milestone.